way love goes. Ooh. Okay, a day in the life with SheisTamika, and Tamika is she. Hey, SheisTamika, and Tamika is she. Hey, SheisTamika, Tamika is she. Hey, SheisTamika, and Tamika is me. Thanks for just became a DJ's member. Okay guys, so we are back from out to eat. I did tie it up like that. Alright, so we went to Ross, we went to BJ's, we went to Olive Garden. Yeah, honey. Boy. Alright, so this is what I got out of Ross. We got some vegetable seasoning here. My husband picked up some herbal blueberries. I went and got some more K-cups. I like the dark roasted, but this is what I got out of Ross. I got the hazelnut sugar free syrup. And these don't have sugar alcohols on what I see. And then I picked up some ashwagandha. This is a superfood. It is adaptogens for mood and energy support. So this is supposed to be, ashwagandha is an ancient Indian super root. This smart herb supports relaxation and springs your body into balance. Risha, the king of medical mushrooms, bring one of the most potent herbal remedies for increased immune support. So this is good. Irish spring or sea moss. Irish spring. So sea moss is good. I got this off of Amazon. You can go to any Caribbean store if you have one in your area. I bought one a few years, not even a few years back. It was 2024. Before I started Zepbound, I had bought a big bag of sea moss, and some of it went bad. I spent around $24 for a big hefty bag. This one here is 1 ounce, so I feel like this is all you really need. But sea moss is basically has 96 or 92 something minerals that you need in your body. So this is good for the health, the gut health, body, everything. See, I might want to go back plant-based, but I don't know. I don't know yet. I don't know. So when I saw ashwagandha, I was like, I need to get that. I really need to get it. Okay, so next, what we got. Oh, here, you probably already seen some of this through my shorts, but I picked up the Ice Dragon Fruit Tea candle. The candles were on sale for, I think, $10.99. And then the wallflower scents, I picked up white tea sage, and Santorini Sunset. And I picked up Sunwash Centel. They smell so good. Alright, now I gotta find the plugins. They're somewhere. Alright, so this is what we got out of BJ's. We are a Sam's Club member. I did not renew my Sam's Club this month, but which is fine. I am Sam's Club true to heart. I've been that way for about 5-6 years. But we saw BJ's, and my husband was like, let's go ahead and try it out. To become a member, it was only $15. So I was like, why not try it out for the whole entire year of $15? And then when I'm ready, I can go back to Sam's Club if I want to. If I don't like BJ's, I'll just cancel the membership. So here, my husband picked up some buffalo chicken, fried chicken wings. So we're just gonna put this in the oven, add a little bit more extra flavor and sauce because I'm sure this is really not seasoned that well, which is fine. I got London, this big old box of Welch's. This is 90 pouches in here. We picked up these big cup noodles. Picked up Eggo waffles because London is now into waffles, so I'm gonna go ahead and help my girl out. Picked up some Tide. This was $4 off of 24 something. Picked up some Stokes coffee. This was on sale. Hold on. Goodness, my man. Yes. Okay, where was I at? All right, so this Stokes coffee, you get 2 of these for $9.99. I feel like these things used to be bigger than this, but it was on sale. I got this turkey bacon. Now at Sam's Club, you get like these, you get this one big pack and it has so many bacons inside. I don't know, I'm gonna try this out. This looks pretty extra long, so we'll see. It's 30 for one, 30 calories for per slice. We'll see. Bacon, we got that. You get 3 packs in there. I get the uncured bacon out of Sam's Club. I don't know what that is. I picked up some protein granola. I got my granola girl, bellflower. And then down here is the Arizona tea, which I'm not picking up. Okay. And then from Amazon, I got the collagen and I got the sea moss. And I'm gonna make sea moss later or maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Depends on how I feel. And I believe that is it, honey, for the haul. It was quite adventurous. It was an adventure. All right, so here is our food. I got London's food. My husband had leftovers. I had leftovers.
We could be selfish, spending summer nights on the rooftop. We could be living, staying up late until the moon drops.
Who told you to spill out?
We could be gone winning, all around the world, baby, non-stop. Cause you want me, we could do it all, and it's all up. We could be selfless, we could be falling in love. Falling in love, falling in love. We could be vibing, we could be riding the rush. We could be selfless. Let's go the road for the ride. We could be selfless.
She a little feisty. Look at them things gone. Ooh, wildfire. Wildfire. These things blowing like crazy. I don't know. I don't trust this. See, look. Look at that. Fire just going crazy. Look at that. I'm about to unlike this because it's a little too much. By the light, by the flame, moth burned by the fire. That's the way love goes. Ooh, that's the way love goes. That's the way love goes. That doesn't go. Like a moth by a flame, burned by the fire. I had to get the words. I couldn't remember. Okay, so yeah, that is the end of this marvelous haul, this gorgeous haul. Okay, so your girl is out and about, and we are chilling. Thank you for chilling with your girl. Thanks for vibing with the girl, even though I didn't take you into the stores, but the way I wanted to film, and I was with my man, my boo. So you know how if you don't know, he rolls his eyes every time I pull out my camera. So to, you know, just don't even film too much unless we're doing something silly. So usually we both act a fool in the store, and we couldn't act a fool in this store the way we wanted to because it was brand new to us, so we just needed to check out the environment. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and check you out later. Goodbye, gorgeous.